Hi, I'm Thomas, and I'm here to talk about how we've made safety part of our culture and how you can too, especially if you have young children. And be sure to talk to your kids about the dangers of hot stoves and ovens. Hey kids, who can go near the oven? The stove and cooktop can be a dangerous place, of course. If you have small children, prefer the back burners. If you have to use the front burners, be sure to turn the handle to the side and of course use supervision at all times. When using the grill, supervise it because they, in addition to stoves, are a serious burn hazard. And while electrical outlet protectors are a very good idea, given that other outlets are unprotected when lamps and things are plugged in, it's always a good idea to go ahead and talk to your children about the dangers of electricity. Sometimes children treat furniture like playground equipment, so secure tall or climbable items to the wall. Speaking of attractive furniture on which to climb, be sure to close in your drawers on dressers and such. You can help prevent serious injury from fireplace hearths by a simple method of taking some foam pipe insulation and some really good duct tape. This example that you see here has been up for over a year and a half and is still holding strong. Okay guys, remember, if you find a toy that's a choking hazard, what can you do with it?
Put it away.
Put it away, and so much so that we named this guy
Choking hazard boy.
Choking Hazard Boy, that's right.
A choking hazard girl.
You can always check your kids' toys if you're not sure about choking hazard, like we weren't sure about this guy. You just give him a good tug to make sure the parts you worry about don't come off. Pressure gates may work well for small infants, but my rambunctious 2-year-old could plow right through this with merely any effort. For about $35, you can get an all-metal baby gate that secures into the wall, hopefully studs, in 4 different places. Makes a very secure area. The latching mechanism on gates generally has a small hole where you can put a lock of sorts. You can just place one of these carabiners in there to make a good deterrent. Keep your children where you want them. Keep dangerous items such as cleaning materials and plastic bags safely out of children's reach. And keep sheds and storage buildings secure, as these may contain toxic chemicals and sharp tools. And we're going to look for some other places where you could recognize a potentially dangerous situation. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
What are those?
What are those?
Just answer the question. What are those?
Scissors.
And who can use scissors?
Only adults.
Only adults.
Kids can use yellow baby scissors.
That's right. Sometimes kids can use baby scissors. Baby scissors. Okay. Ooh. What's that?
A knife.
Yeah, and who can use knives?
Only adults.
And what do you do if you see a knife on the floor? That's right. Knives on counters can be especially dangerous for little hands that like to explore. At a minimum, place the knife where it is inconvenient for the little hands to find. Uh-oh, what's wrong with this picture? I've seen this too many times. Little hands pull the knife down. And another dangerous situation. And with a culture of safety, you can keep yourself and your family safe and sound.